Hi friends, welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra. So today I just want to show you how my kitchen looks before I decorate for Christmas and after fall and how I'm decorating for Thanksgiving. So I took a lot of the fall things, so I'm keeping it kind of like clean and not too much before I start decorating for Christmas. All right, so I'm going to show you how everything looks, and I want to show you pieces that I bought from Target, from Hearth and Hand, and from Threshold. All right, let's get into the video. All right, so here's an overview of my kitchen, how it's going to be for Thanksgiving, because I showed you the fall, so I changed it up. I'm going to show you the pieces I picked up from Target. Some are Threshold and some are from Hearth and Hand. So this is how I'm going to have it before I start decorating for Christmas. So I like it. It's nice and white, clean. So let me go and show you everything in here and what's new and what I picked up. All right, so you know what? Let's just start. Oh, I didn't show you this. Okay, and so right here is just my little table nook. You've seen it last time. The only thing I changed was this. I got a chicken wire that's from Joann's. That is new. It was for the Christmas line, but I'm using it now. I just took the bow off. All right, and that's it. One of the fall candles. So this is how this is going to stay for Thanksgiving. I think it looks really cute. Oh, this is new. I don't know if I showed you guys. I probably did on the video. So that's from Threshold. I'll show you the other pieces that go with that. All right. So right here, I got this from Williams-Sonoma. I thought it was cute, even though, I'm going to use this for Thanksgiving when I cook. And it's, of course, like that buffalo check, but in orange. So even though I'm using black, I think it looks good. All right, this is from last year from Hearth and Hand, coffee pot, I guess. The nest is from Pier 1 Import. This is, I think, from Hobby Lobby. I still got those dishes up there. Okay, now this is the cookie jar that I got from Hearth and Hand, which I'm in love with. So, yes. And then this is like just a mat. I think this is from Hobby Lobby, I believe. All right, and then I have this little milk from Hearth and Hand. I'm looking for the sugar. I can never find it, so I only have the milk. I just left it up there because cookies and milk. I thought it was cute. And then the pie plate is still there, the bread. And then my vintage spoons that say, thankful and pumpkin spice. I left that. Okay, so here on my windowsill, it's snowing outside, guys. I can't believe it's snowing already. Okay. So right here, these go with the tray I just showed you on my table. So that's the canister, and you've seen these in the fall tour. So I put it by my window though. And then the little turkey, and then the pumpkin. These are the turkeys are actually salt and pepper shakers, but I'm not going to use them. I just like them for decor. That's staying right there. Okay, this is the other cookie jar, which is a funny story. I ordered this and it's actually broken on the other side, so I called them up and you can see it's all cracked, but you know what, I crazy glued it because they were like, oh, just discard it, and I was like, I really didn't want to, but because it was only cracked in the top. And yeah, so then I ended up having two. So this is the broken one, which if it lasts, I don't even know. But I just left it there. I'm not going to really use it for anything. But the other one I'm going to use for the cookies. All right. So Thankful platter. That's from the same Threshold line. And then I picked this beautiful, I just love it, cake stand, whatever you want to call it. I just love this, the little round knob. All right, so, and then I picked up this for the gravy bowl, which I'm using this year. This is just a little, you put your, it's a rolling pin, but you just put your recipes in here. Those little like cards. So I just leave it there. And then this is the milk and the sugar, but I don't think that's threshold. And then these bowls that we use every day, we're loving them, they're big. This is my kids use every day now. The Farmhouse Bakery, I had that, that's from Hobby Lobby. And then I have a little pumpkin. I still have one or two pumpkins still out, yes. From Target, okay. But I want to show you this. This pumpkin I just love. This is threshold. So I got that, and I think it looks cute on my stove top. So that's what I wanted to show you guys, but I think it looks cute. It's nice and white and very clean before I start putting all those, you know, all those Christmas colors. But anyway, and then I want to show you my napkins. Hello Fall and Gather, Gobble Gobble. So yeah, but I'm going to show you right now some other pieces that I picked up, like serving pieces and yeah, for Thanksgiving. Okay, I don't have this out, but I just want to show you. So I got this platter. It's from the same line, this line. So I just thought it was cute, and it went with this napkin too. So I thought it was cute. And with the gravy bowl, it went with the gravy bowl too. And then I got this big bowl from the same line, which I could even use this as a salad, and then use the bowls right here, and then use these bowls for the salad. I can do that. And, or just use it for the mashed potatoes or anything on Thanksgiving. So I like this bowl. I can even have it out and put fruit in it. So yeah. So I got a lot of like white pieces. All right, so that's it. That's what I picked up so far. Hey Trixie, you want to say hi to everybody? What are you doing? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, cutie. All right, so that's it. That's my overview. You see right there how that black buffalo check, the mugs, and then I have the orange. It looks nice, so I like how that came out. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video and you like how I decorated for Thanksgiving, give this video a thumbs up, share my video, tell a friend, and if you like more videos like this, I will sure make a lot of like decorating videos. I'll just decorate differently and give you guys ideas. All right, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and tell me if you enjoyed this, and if you enjoy my decorating videos, and if you wanted me to do more decorating videos. All right, I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye!